Pools have two walls. When you come over to the first section where you got to connect the wall bolts, you want to set it up first and put a couple bolts in there before you continue. You also want to make sure that the wall bolts are being covered by the upright. You don't want to wait until the entire wall is rolled out before you take that. On top of this type of pool has a real big curve in it. So you want to put this curved side on the outside of the wall so the liner doesn't get screwed up, so it doesn't push against the liner. And the easiest way to do that is to pull this back a little bit. All right, and then put it in the wall. Helping me around. All right, go grab a screwdriver. Put it in here at the top.